Okay, today is 13/18. This is my landline, this is my cell phone. Okay, it used to be a flip phone. Anyway, got that. 13/19, Monday, 19 March 2018. There we go. Alright, so this, and then let's just hit the power. Does that coming on. Got it on FM. You got to put it on radio, that's right. That's tape 2, or tape 1. Alright, so that works. Here's medium wave.
Jesús era el Hijo de Dios que le fue encomendado, pero ahora, desde el cielo, José se convirtió en el protector de la Iglesia Universal. El patrón universal, cuidando ahora al cuerpo místico de Cristo. Somos todos nosotros, la iglesia. Y qué bonita esa labor que él realiza, porque nosotros...
So much for them yakking. We got a tape here, which put in like this. And flip it, it's on tape 2, so... There we go. Does nothing. Let's see here. Won't do that. Won't do that. Okay, so, alright. And in the lower deck here, hit play. It's got the, you see that there? It's got this one and that one. That doesn't do anything. That doesn't do anything. Okay, lights up. That's all we know. Okay. And then just, run it around, alright. That's too big to do like that. Here, let's just take it off the camera. Or take it off the tripod. Alright, so there it is on the front. And looks like this on the back. Okay, so good day, bye-bye. Hope I enjoyed. I did. Bye.